Hey guys, I have a package. I don't know what the heck is it, but this something tells me that. Well, I already opened it, but I feel like something plastic in it. What the heck is this? Okay. Oh! What the heck? It's the first edition holographic Charizard! Gah! Gah! No. Oh my god. Did I pull it? No way! I'm getting this out of its case. Oh my god. There's absolutely no... Oh my... Man... Oh my... What? Oh my god, what the heck is this? It's a blast. Is this a real card? No. This looks cool, but not real card. But oh my, so shiny. Yes, the back is real too. Man, sheesh. This looks beautiful. It's including holographic. I know what this is. This is the first edition PSA 10 holographic Charizard. I don't even know why that someone did send this. I don't know who sent me this, but whoever did, thank you. Okay? Thank you. Like, it's including completely first edition. Focus. You look, see? It says 1 edition. That's how you can tell that's first edition. Man. Including send me a case, which that's very nice of her. It has this silver thing. Hold on, let me get that out. I can't even get that silver thing out, but whatever. This looks so cool. Anyways, guys. Wait, is it real? Yep. 100% real. Look at that. There's no... The edges are not falling apart or anything. This is real. Man. No, I should be careful with it. And it's shinier than I thought. But yeah, I hope you guys like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll never miss a video. I'll see you guys next time. Charizard!